Welcome to Vidya's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making South Indian style pickles with sour cooking apples. We'll be making two types of pickles, an avakai style apple achar and a methi apple pickle. Now let's go see how this is done. We'll now step into the garden and pick apples from the tree. We'll pick roughly a kilo of apples. Usually for both these pickles, raw mangoes are used, but the mango season's now over, so I'm going to use these tangy cooking apples instead. I've picked about 8 apples for both pickles. Let's first make the avakai apple pickle. This pickle is synonymous with Andhra cuisine. Ava means mustard and kai is raw fruit. While it's usually made with raw mangoes, here we are using raw apples. I have washed, dried and cut the apples into slightly large pieces. We'll set this aside for the time being while we get the other ingredients ready. This pickle is very simple to make and very tasty. The primary ingredient is mustard seeds. For 500 grams of apples, I'm taking 75 grams of mustard seeds. 2 teaspoons of methi seeds. Too much methi can make the pickle bitter, so 2 teaspoons is plenty. Then 100 ml of mustard oil and 4 tablespoons of red chili powder. This is a very spicy pickle. You can substitute this with Kashmiri chili powder if you prefer it to be less spicy. Finally, salt 4 tablespoons. Salt and oil are the preservatives for this pickle, so you have to use enough salt and oil to ensure the pickle lasts for at least a few months. Ideally, the mustard seeds and methi seeds have to be sun-dried, but we haven't had much sunshine where I live, so I'm going to gently warm the mustard seeds on a hot kadai, warm enough just to touch but not too hot. The mustard seeds are now warm enough, so we'll transfer them to a blender jar and grind them to a coarse powder. So mustard seed powder is now ready. Next, we'll dry roast the methi seeds, and again, like the mustard seeds, we'll grind these also to make a coarse powder. I have transferred the roasted methi seeds to a mixie jar and we'll grind this now. The methi seed powder is ready to use. Now we have all the ingredients ready to make the avakai apple pickle. First adding the mustard seed powder to the apples, next methi seed powder, then red chili powder, salt, and finally the mustard oil. We'll mix everything in well. Just ensure that the bowls you use, the apples and the spoon that's used for mixing are all dry and clean. Any hint of moisture, the pickle won't last very long because we are not using any preservatives. The pickle's now mixed and ready. We'll store this in a ceramic jar. We have to wait ideally for at least 4 to 5 days for the apples to blend into the spices before we can serve it. I'll show you in about 4 days time what the pickle looks like. Now we'll go ahead and make the next pickle, the methi apple pickle. For this pickle, I'm cutting the apples into small pieces. The ingredients required are red chili powder 3 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, salt 2 tablespoons, gingerly oil 4 tablespoons, a must for this pickle, methi seed powder 1 tablespoon. I reserved some from what we made for the avakai pickle, and finally asafoetida 2 teaspoons. We'll first take a heavy bottom pan and heat the gingerly oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll add the mustard seeds and allow them to splutter. After the mustard seeds have fully spluttered, we'll add the red chili powder and the asafoetida. At this stage, the chili powder will start frothing in the oil. Taking care not to let it burn, we can now add this to the cut apples. Next, we'll add the methi seed powder and the salt and mix everything well together. Again, ensuring that the bowls we use, the spoon and the apples are all dry and clean to increase the longevity of the pickle. If the apple or the mango that you're using to make this pickle is very sour or tangy, a teaspoon of sugar can be added to enhance the taste. That's entirely optional. Methi apple pickle is now ready to serve. It's been 4 days now since we made the avakai apple pickle. As you can see, the apples have blended into the spices and the oil is floating on top. It also smells simply wonderful. It just smells glorious. Avakai apple pickle is ready to serve. Raw mangoes are seasonal. However, cooking apples are available all year round and taste almost like mangoes. So do give it a try and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.